What's up, warriors? How you guys doing? Today we're gonna talk about that word diet. Everybody fucking hears that word diet and they fucking cringe. I don't know who the hell labeled it as something that's fucking detrimental or something that's fucking supposed to scare you. You know, you gotta change the perspective of the way that you see and view the word diet, you know, because a lot of people that hit me up, they always run from that word diet. Why can't you look at it as eating healthier? Why can't you look at it as, you know, eating clean food to better yourself, for you to feel better, look better, build more confident? A lot of times we label these fucking words that, you know, that people get scared of, you know, like if you have to restrict yourself, like if you have to deprive yourself from food. You know, I get a lot of people hitting me up about, you know, oh, am I not gonna eat no more tacos, no more tortillas, no more bread? No, it's not about all that fucking about removing food. It's not about not eating tacos. The thing here is it's about not eating 10 fucking tacos. It's about not eating fucking 20 tortillas in one sit down. That's the problem. We create a lot of these health issues by the way that we eat. You know, I know so because like I said before, you know, I wasn't the type of individual that likes to eat a lot of junk food, but eating, you know, large amount of food, that was my problem. I'll neck down 10 tortillas, especially if they were homemade tortillas. I'll take those fuckers down like if they were nothing till I fucking couldn't breathe no more. The thing that happens is that we fuck up our fucking insulin. You know, our insulin is one of the strongest hormones in the human body. We shove so much food down our fucking throat that's high carbs and fat, not enough protein. So the problem is that we start creating that fucking diabetics, you know, type 1, type 2, pre-diabetics. All that stems from the way that we eat, the way that we treat our bodies over years of eating in that manner. That's why a lot of people that, you know, they come and hit me up where their life's in the line. You know, they're scared because they got told that they're, you know, pre-diabetics or type 2 diabetics. And the thing is that we could unmake a lot of those issues that we have: high cholesterol, high blood pressure. You know, pre-diabetics, you could unmake it as long as you start eating correctly in a manner that's structured, in a manner that you're not just shoving food down your throat without not knowing what that plate of food is going to do for you. So it's all about perspective. It's all about, you know, telling yourself that looking at that plate of food as something that's going to fuel you up, not something that's going to be so tasteful and pleasurable. You know, a lot of times we just got to switch that the mindset, you know, the way that you view things. And like I said, you know, too many people demonize that word diet. They hear about the word diet and they fucking cringe. They fucking want to just not even hear about it. And it's not about the diet. It's not about fucking removing food. It's about portion control. It's about knowing that you have a certain amount of protein, carbs, and fat that you have to eat so you could get the results that you want, so you could start feeling better, looking better, changing the way your body looks. It's just too much consumption of fat and carbs in one sit down. They're a source of energy that the body needs, but the only problem is that they taste so good that you eat so much of it. So we gotta control that. It's not about taking food away from your daily life or from your life. It's not about removing any of that. It's about starting little by little, removing certain foods that are just hurting you. They're not helping you at all. But it's just about choices, picking better choices, and knowing that, you know, you have to structure your meals correctly throughout the day so you can start smashing your goals. So it's always perspective. Change the way that you view your food. It's not a diet. It's a healthier way of eating. It's a healthier way of living. And it's what's going to better you. Think about it as something that it's going to help you in the long run, you know, because a lot of people are using that word diet like it's a horrible word. So we got to check that shit. Let's go.